Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the option called brightness. Tap on it to enter. And if you want to set the brightness level and then you want to have it, basically you want it to stay at the same level you set it, you will need to disable the auto option, because the auto option will change it. The watch even won't allow you to enter the custom if you have the auto option selected. So we need to disable the auto, tap on custom, and here we can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the slider. Rather not up and down, but in the circle. My bad. And once you adjust the brightness, you can then press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.